Bye everybody!
Nine.
Kai!
Amazing, Kai!
I will just put sign in out!
Channel niya, may isa pa.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel!
Oh my God! Good day everyone and welcome again to Josie's Kitchen! Nako, special po ang ating episode, but before that, of course, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na po tayo sa ating YouTube channel na Love Josie and sa lahat ng ating social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter account na Love Josie. Today, we have a guest named Keilov. 11-year-old po siya na boy at meron siyang ibibigay sa ating recipe na no-bake dessert. He would always do this. Bakit? Kasi this is the favorite daw of his younger brother named Kai. So ready na ba kayo? Kasi si Mami Josie ready nang matuto sa ating Kuya Keilov. Kuya, come now!
Kuya!
Grabe, excited siya. O Kuya, what are you going to do today?
Today, we are going to make some Oreo cheese balls. My brother really loves it. One time I put it in the fridge, he ate all of it.
All of it?
Yes.
So let's go na! And samahan natin si Kuya sa kanyang journey ng paggawa ng Oreo cheese balls. Kuya, what's the first step?
So the first step is to wash your hands because you're going to get really messy after this.
So you have to make sure that your hands are clean. Okay, next will be you crushing the
Oreo.
Okay, so let's show them how to do it.
First you put the Oreo there and get...
Them how it should look like.
Well, it should look like that. It looks like dirt, but it's Oreo.
Yeah. So ganito po yung itsura niya. Okay? So now let's continue crushing the Oreo. Okay?
So you put it there, then get some more and crush, crush, crush. So make sure it's crushed and it looks like dirt. But children out there do not eat dirt. It is not edible.
Okay, so what's the next step, Kuya, after crushing the Oreo?
Well, you have to get this and
The cream cheese. The cream cheese, okay.
Get a whole spoon.
Like how many spoons of cream cheese do you need?
3.
3, okay?
So
Okay.
3.
And then what are you going to do right after?
Then you pour all of it inside this.
Okay, so...
This is my favorite part, but it probably won't be yours.
Okay.
This is why you really need to wash your hands. You have to get it. But it will taste yummy. You can lick your fingers.
Okay.
Okay, so...
Oh, wow!
It's so satisfying.
It's so satisfying.
So satisfying. If you're done doing like squishing this and just whatever.
So you have to form a ball.
Yeah, you have to form a bowl.
So we have 1.
1. So now you can add the sprinkles.
Ayan, tapos na po niyang i-roll yung kanyang Oreo cheese balls. Ayan na siya. Ngayon, for decor purposes, gusto niyang lagyan ng
sprinkle.
Okay. For Kuya Keilov, para mas intact yung texture ng ating Oreo cheese balls, ilalagay muna natin sa fridge. Right?
Yes.
For how many minutes, Kuya?
Well, for as long it can stop my brother from eating.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll be back.
So this is the finished products. They're very yummy.
Really?
Yes, very yummy.
Okay.
I can smell it.
Actually, mga mommies, mga daddies, and mga beshies, pwede rin po ninyo ito gawin pag may mga parties kayo. Okay? Isa tsaka ito, magandang bonding to sa mga magkakapatid. Right? Dami. So now let's call on your brother.
Okay.
Kasi ready to eat na siya. Di ba
Get
favorite
ready to see the baby that you should never let him go near this or else it'll be gone in less than 3.5
Baby? Baby pa
seconds.
ba?
Oh, not the baby, toddler.
Okay now, Kai
Alright,
Kai!
the amazing Kai Kai!
Yay! Amazing Kai Kai!
Oh my I will just put this aside 1 second.
Wait!
Watch carefully.
Oh my God!
See, I told you!
No! Wait!
My turn!
My turn! My
My
turn!
turn.
My turn! Mmm!
My extra large. So, bye everybody. Have a great time with this. Alright.
Channel.
Bye everybody. We are signing out.
Channel niya, may isa pa.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel.
Oh my God!
So, bye everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss any other video.
Okay,
And
so-
also subscribe to my channel. I only have 12 subscribers, please. I'm begging you.
Okay, now, mga mommies, beshies, and daddies, ganito po talaga. First time po tayo nagkaroon ng guest ng 11-year-olds and 4 years old.
Okay.
So,
Goodbye,
thank you.
everybody.
Kuya, let me close.
Okay.
Thank you. Again, goal achieve po tayo. Oreo cheese balls po tayo. No bake. No bake dessert. Again, don't forget to click like and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel na Love Josie and Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram account na Love Josie. My name is Josie and you can always call me Mommy Josie. Bye! Bye!